Hi, my name is Nicole from The Exclusive, and this is my client Eugene. Let's have an overall brief of the whole house. So Eugene, basically your mom and your dad is not here today. They are the ones who had the requirement. So I really thank them because they actually moved out of this house to get this house renovated. How long have you been staying in this house?
Wow, over 20 years ever since I was born.
Yeah, so it was really a big overhaul. So they wanted something modern luxe, and then I know that you are the one who actually has the most requirement in the house. So what was your most important thing that you need me to do?
Oh, my room. I really wanted a space to myself. When I come home, I can play, I can relax and do whatever I want.
Oh, so basically he's the major tenant here lah, who don't come out of the room. So most important thing, do you feel satisfied?
Of course, definitely. Throughout the entire working process, I thought it was relatively easy and it was so smooth sailing. Yeah, I think especially for my room, Nico really incorporated whatever I needed and whatever I wanted. So I think throughout this entire process, I found it really comfortable working with Nico, and especially my parents, they had such a great experience working with Nico and the whole team. Okay, yes, so I think coming back, my parents really loved the entire modern lush concept, especially in this house. My father's favorite place in this house, it is the fish tank right here. He was so happy, right? The moment we moved back, he immediately got started onto this entire project of his own.
And actually before that, the whole house, we always say that it looks like a
Smurf house.
So basically there is feng shui requirement for this whole house. So walking in the house, you actually see where the shoe cabinet is. I actually tucked the shoe cabinet under the feature wall of the dining area. And then the dining table is actually round, and then you can see the lights that are also round. So these are all the requirements. Beside the dining area, you actually see the fish tank. So the fish tank acts like the divider in between the dining and the sofa. So coming into the living hall, you see the feature wall with the huge TV, and then you have the console to contain all their internet items, and then you have a display cabinet and also the fluted panels. So moving into the kitchen, actually we had a sliding door to actually hide away from the living so that it's more concealed. And inside the kitchen itself is a very clean and nice look. So Eugene, very satisfied with your room, right?
Definitely.
You've got a sort of like walk-in wardrobe. You got your Omni desk. And then you got a queen size bed.
Yes.
Then you have your guitar corner. You have some display shelf. Happy?
Happy. Of course happy.
Even in the master room itself, we have their own bedside table, also their feature wall, their wardrobe, their desk. And also later on, you can take a look at the hidden door for the toilet. As for the daughter's room, we keep it very clean and simple. We have a light feature behind the bed head, a wardrobe, and 2 working desks.
Throughout this entire home makeover project, we're really happy with our house right now. I would definitely recommend Nico and the entire The Exclusive team. Her attitude was really great throughout this entire renovation process. So I would definitely recommend Nico and The Exclusive to whoever's out there looking for a renovation. Thank you, Nico and the entire The Exclusive team for making my house into a reality.